YouTube. Damn. I ain't did one of these in a cool minute, bro. I got the window down today. Hopefully that don't mess up anything. I might roll it up right now, because I know y'all can't see shit. But what's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy GG Kevo in this motherfucker. Hey, y'all ain't seen the lights yet. Y'all ain't seen the lights yet. I hope y'all like them. I gotta sync them up still, but like, you know, I gotta wait for that piece to come in so I can sync both of these up. Cause one's here and then the other one's in the middle console. I routed it to the middle console, so it looks kind of weird. We doing a nice little POV. I ain't did a POV at nighttime in a cool minute, and I'm hoping. I don't really release these. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't think I ever released like it. Well, I did. I probably once. I think I did it once. One little night POV. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go wash my car. Y'all wanna see me wash my car? I'm gonna leave the helmet cam on and actually wash my car. Since it's nighttime, like, I already know niggas is not gonna be up, bro, at nighttime, being weird, staring at me while I got a fucking helmet, like I got this shit on my head. I already know niggas will be on some shit. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive to me going and wash my car, and I'm gonna actually show y'all me washing my car, because my shit is still dirty from the rain. I was supposed to die in that hurricane. That shit might sound crazy, and y'all probably like, why the fuck this motherfucker laughing? But the way they was hyping this hurricane up, this Hurricane Hillary shit, the way they was hyping it up, they was making it sound like fucking this shit was about to be extra fucking bad. Like, granted, let me just say this: Vegas is not built for rain, bro. That's one thing I noticed, is that Vegas is not built for rain. Vegas and rain don't mix, bro. It literally don't mix. Like, everything was flooded. It wasn't like over here, it wasn't flooded, but it was raining hard as fuck. For real, it was raining hard as fuck. But everywhere else, like downtown and shit like that, was like flooded to the motherfucker. And also, y'all, I was supposed to be going to work tonight, bro. They told me to go home as soon as I got there. Imagine sending the manager home. Like, what? Nigga sent the manager home. But yeah, sent me home, so I guess I'm gonna enjoy my life at nighttime again. So also like, I'm trying to figure out more, what do I call it, more things to do, right? So if y'all have anything y'all want to see me do, that y'all would love to see me do, just let me know. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all want me to do. I did a couple videos that I really have to remake, such as me drifting corners. I gotta remake that. I literally slid every corner. Like, some of them I didn't power slide. I did a couple U-turns in that video, but right now your boy need tires, so I can't do that shit again. But that would be a fire ass video if I did that shit right now. But your boy left tire, I don't know, for some reason on RTs, bro, they give you little, it's like a one-wheeler pillar is what they call it. That motherfucker only fucking balls one fucking wheel, bro, in the back. So right now my left back, my driver rear tire is basically, I wouldn't say on threads, but it's close to it. Bro, my fucking nose won't clear up. What the fuck, bro? This nigga jaywalking. Y'all see that shit? Jaywalking ass. Bro, what? Like, oh, but man, this is low-key ghetto side. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This the ghetto side of, not really, I wanna say the ghetto side, cause this shit not really ghetto, bro. This is not the ghetto part. Well, it's semi-ghetto, I guess you could say. Cause you got like East Las Vegas, and West Side Las Vegas. It's fucking the most, god damn. East Side Las Vegas and the West Side is the most ghettoest. Was that a police? I'm not tripping, right? That was definitely a police. That was definitely a police. That nigga parked crooked as fuck. What's wrong with these niggas, bro? Honestly, I feel like cops be having, like, they be just doing too fucking much, bro. Like, there's no way you can do that. Like, I feel like, personally, what the fuck, bro? Get in your lane. Get in your lane, buddy. Stay in your lane, buddy. But yeah, I feel like police just be doing some unnecessary shit. Like, they be doing shit that you can't do on purpose. Like, I can't tell you how many times I've seen police fucking speeding for no fucking reason. Just speeding, bro. They just be speeding. No repercussions from that shit. Like, bro, it was one day I was coming home from school. And fucking I'm driving down the street. But like me, like, I don't really pay attention that much. That's why I really need like a fucking, what's one of them things called? The little police scanner shits. I need one of those. Because I don't pay attention most of the time. I pay attention, but I don't pay attention. Like, night times, I definitely will not see the fucking police until the last second. But daytime, when I'm coming home from school, bro, I'm not paying no attention. I'm fucking tired as hell and I'm trying to go home, right? So I'm driving down the street. I get to a stoplight and as soon as I get to the stoplight, as soon as the light turns green, I floor it, right? I floor it straight ahead. I probably got like 35 miles per hour, right? Nigga, why the police go flying past me? Police went flying past me and then gonna stare at me like I was in the wrong. Like, bro, what? You flew past me. That means you going at least like 60. Cause you had to catch up to me and you had to be able to pass me up with no problem. Like, what, bro? So like, yeah, like, what, bro?
There are no phones connected.
I know there ain't no phones connected, bitch.
Try again.
Should I be? No, I'm gonna head up right here. All right, so I'm gonna get out and start washing the car. I'm gonna give you a little view of me doing it too. So, give me a second. All right, y'all. So we are back from washing the car. My fucking pedal felt weird. It's because of these fucking Crocs. But I don't got my helmet cam on, so I'm just gonna record this with my hand. But yeah, man, car clean. I cleaned out the whole inside, everything. So we looking spiffy. Looking real spiffy. Nice little pool, small pool. I love a new car. I love a clean car smell, bro. It smells so fucking amazing in here, bro. No bullshit. I don't even know what to tell y'all what it is. Cause I don't even know if I still got it. I think it should be back probably. But let me tell y'all what it is, right? So it's a concoction that I made. Is that how you say it? It's a concoction, whatever. Right? So it's some water, right? It's some water, it's some fucking some cologne from Bath and Body Works. It's some oceans something, right? Ocean scent type shit, right? And then it's some odor control from it's a place out here called Jack's Wax that I mixed together, and both of the smells come together and make some perfect ass smell, bro. And it stays like this for a cool. It stays for about 30 days. No bullshit, literally stays 30 days. Like, you can get in my car 30 days from now and it'll be light, but you'll still be able to smell that shit like perfectly fine, and it'll smell good as fuck. But yeah, and it's fucking 12 at night, bro. I'm still out, so your boy just need to go home at this point, because there's really nothing for me else to do unless I just do some bullshit. But I don't know what type of bullshit I'd be trying to do. Because it literally is nothing to do outside. Like, I don't know. That's why I be trying to understand. I don't understand why people like working like daytimes. Because like, there's literally nothing to do at night, bro. Like, if you a nigga like me and you don't got no friends, yeah, it's nothing to do, bro. That shit's over with. That shit's dead. You gonna be bored as fuck the whole night. That, or you just gonna sleep. Like, that shit's a waste of time. Right? You can be up the whole day, achieve more, do more with your friends and shit like that, and then at nighttime you can be working, you know, because fucking everybody works day shift. But yeah, that's my little spin of it. But this is gonna be the end of the video because I'm almost home. I don't really want to show y'all where I'm at. Well, where I live. So this is gonna be the end of the video. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.